Hi friends! Hola amigas! Welcome to class with Teacher Jaz for President. Bienvenidos a clase con Teacher Jaz for Presidente! Okay, today we are going to be learning about letter G words en Español in honor of Cinco de Mayo. Yes, sister. Now, let's get into these letter G words. G is for gift. A gift is a thing given willingly. El regalo en Español. G is for ghost. Short for ghostwriter, of course. El fantasma en Español. G is for green. The color between blue and yellow in the spectrum. Verde en Español. G is for garden. A small piece of ground used to grow vegetables, fruit, herbs, or flowers. El jardín en Español. G is for good, to be desired or approved of. Bueno en Español. G is for girl, a female child or adolescent. El niña en Español. G is for gold, a yellow precious metal, a deep, lustrous yellow-brown color. Oro en Español. Hip hip, hooray for Cinco de Mayo!